Hi everyone, I'm Bruce Dell, Senior Pharmacist with Covetrus and resident guru of compounding. Thanks for spending some time with us today. I'd like to talk about transdermals. This is a common request from many of you who have been frustrated with conventional dosage forms like liquids and like tablets. We're not going to discuss efficacy and bioavailability. That's for the practitioner to decide. But if you decide to go to transdermals, there are a couple of things to think about. If you're just in the beginning of the dosing process and you want to titrate, some practitioners like to use a typical syringe filled with transdermal so that they can get more specific on the measurements and titrate more efficiently. If you know what your dose is, though, many folks have gone to pre-filled pens. Many pet families are prescribed transdermals in rotation barrel devices, and it is exceptionally easy for an owner to dose too much because the owner has gone past the point with more rotations than are ordered. It's very easy to do. Too much medication, or they end up wasting the dose. Many of the problems associated with the rotation barrel device can be circumvented with the Covetrus Clickdose pen. This is a device to behold. It starts with the cap. Notice there's a stylus in here, and that stylus includes the orifice here. So this does not dry out when the product is not in use. Then, if you can run an ink pen, you can run a Clickdose pen. Every single dose is 0.05 ml. That's not a lot of stuff, so you don't get a lot of buildup in the ear. This is designed so that the practitioner simply orders the dose, and we make it in that much. 0.05 per click, 3 mLs in a tube. Each pen contains 60 clicks and 60 doses. Easy to apply. Notice there's no glove involved. The silicone tip feels just like the flesh of a fingertip, and it couldn't be easier to clean. Also remember that the skin should be cleaned just before the application of the next dose. In fact, if you're using the BID, we recommend alternating ears so that you don't have a buildup of goop on the tissue. And lastly, what an amazing opportunity to dose an active ingredient without the frustration and without the anxiety associated with flavors and with things like orally medicating a resistive animal. The Clickdose pen from Covetrus is as good as this gets. The very essence of compounding is to facilitate dosing. This is easy to order. I think you realize it's easy to give, and it's easy to keep giving. We appreciate your confidence. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.